Hello and welcome. So now we are going to make a dictionary. So let me just show you that dictionary. So this is what we are going to implement in next couple of videos. From here you can search any word from the dictionary, and if that word is not present we can also add to our dictionary by giving a word here and defining word here, and we can add it from this button. So let me just try to search first one word. So that is one word AR. I already know this word is already defined in the dictionary, so I'm typing this, and if I click on search there is some definition I could find. So let me just try to give the word which is already not defined in the dictionary. So I would just say Python. So it's saying that Python is not defined in the dictionary. So let me just add this word here. So I would just say Python, and I would say let me just write an awesome programming language, right? And let me just add this new word Python is added. That is what I'm trying to say. And if I just now search it, and it would say that an awesome programming language. So this is what we are going to implement from the next videos.